Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. My channel is growing now with your support, and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about an app called Quizlet, and you can see this app on the screen right now, Quizlet, Flashcards and Homework. And as you can see on the screen, it has 4.8 stars out of 5. It is the easiest way to study, practice, and master what you're learning. It is compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Android, and you can use the website as well. And you can see the developer here. Quizlet is developer. And there is a free version available. I use free version right now, but also there are in-app purchases. And I'll just talk about these ones a bit. At first, as I mentioned before, Quizlet is free to use, but it's supported by advertisements. You can pay $1.99 per year to make the app ad-free with a Quizlet Go membership. Quizlet Go also gives iOS app users the ability to customize their flashcards with a visual theme. And with a free Quizlet account, you don't get every feature, and some features are limited. For example, you can create a diagram with a free account, but you can only add 8 locations to it with a free account. And Quizlet Plus costs $19.99 per year. Plus members can add as many locations to diagrams as they like, and they can also add custom shapes to diagrams. They also get the ability to upload recordings of their own voice as well as images. And Quizlet is a popular language learning tool. Students often use it to make flashcard sets and quiz themselves on what they should have learned. And compared with other language learning apps and flashcard study apps, it is priced very competitively. And about this one, with this app, what can we do? For example, with this app you can create your own flashcards or choose from millions created by other students. More than 50 million students study for free with Quizlet app each month. And if you're about 4 years old, you could use Quizlet app too. So the other thing is, what are the key features of this app? You can get test day ready with learn section. And you can learn with flashcards. You can put your memory to the task with write section. You can race against the clock in a game of match. And you can share flashcards with friends, classmates, or students. You can learn foreign languages. You can listen to your material pronounced correctly in 18 languages. And you can learn about science, math, history, coding, and more. And you can also study for various exams. I'll just show you from there. You can just see the preview from here. Just the design of it you can see from there. The design is really good, as you can see here. And I'll just go to the app right now. At first, of course, you need to go to the App Store, and then you need to download this app called Quizlet Flashcards and Homework. And then we'll just go directly to the app from here. And to start with this part, of course, at first you need to just go to your account. You need to write your email and password, and after that you can just easily start studying. I have some sets I prepared before because I'm just trying to learn more English, especially advanced English. So I have some sets here. Also, I'm learning Italian, so you can just see the sets from there. And from here, this is the home screen, and also from the search part, you can just see the study sets and also classes, users. And the other feature is you can play Quizlet Live with your classmates, you know, and if you're a teacher, you can just use it. That's really good. I mean, students really like this feature. And the other thing, you can see that just plus icon. From plus icon, you can just create study set, you can create folder, or you can create a class easily. And the other thing, so this is your account. So from here, you can just, you know, add your password, email, and my account. You can see it's free. So just like that, the layout is this way. I'll just choose one of the sets, for example, this one, and I'll just show how we can study from here. For example, I prepared a set, and from the learn section, you can just choose you know, these ones, like, just, you know, you can practice as much as you want. And yeah, you can add so many different sets from here. Also, you can use flashcards. Flashcards are really good. Like, if you want to study again, just swipe left, and if you just think that you know this description, just swipe right. That's really easy to use, right? Just like that. If you think that you know the word, just swipe right, and that's really easy. Okay, so another practice is write. For example, you can just write and practice this way. You need to, for example, here you need to write the English version, English from here. Also matching, you can just, you know, start a game and you can just do the matching from here. Also, you can test yourself, and from here just choose the question types like true, false, or multiple choice, or written. So there are so many choices there, and after that, just look at the top of the screen and tap start test, and your test will start immediately. It's very easy to use, and I really love it. I generally use this app. That's really good. I would highly recommend this app for you, especially for students or for the ones who like, you know, who wants to practice different languages, or sometimes, you know, practice like history, math, whatever you want. You can choose whatever you want, or you can just create your own flashcards as well. So the other thing about Quizlet is it's for rote learning. Probably you understood it from the layout and all the things that we mentioned here. And it is a platform for rote learning. Users can search existing sets or create their own. And they may even attach images from Flickr's Creative Commons catalog. And with a Plus account, users may even upload their own images and audio. And recording functionality might be particularly useful for the study of less widely spoken languages. And I think that's really good. Also, Quizlet boasts generous language support and surprisingly fluid text-to-speech via partnership with NeoSpeech and Nuance. And the other thing is about Quizlet. Quizlet provides a tool to report content that is inappropriate, not factual, used for cheating, or violates intellectual property. So there are some measures in place to keep its quality intact. Additionally, the app automatically filters content using quality scores drawn from user behavior. And the other thing Also, it offers 6 ways to study. It offers 6 study modes. Users can cycle through simple flashcards or use the fill-in-the-blank mode to practice spelling. And it is a stickler for spelling. Students must enter terms exactly. And speller mode takes advantage of this fact in a good way. In speller mode, students have to type what they hear, and this mode not only leverages the platform's excellent speech-to-text capabilities, but also allows the student to choose the narration speed, which is ideal for language acquisition. Unfortunately, the platform cannot analyze the pronunciation. Although Quizlet is not designed for formal assessment, platform includes a test mode through which users may select various question types including written, matching, multiple choice, and true-false. And teachers might use this mode for pop quizzes. Also, the other thing, Quizlet includes a pair of games. In Scatter, users direct corresponding items onto one another. Gravity asks users to type definitions before terms disappear. In both instances, Quizlet tracks time so students can compete against one another. And the other thing is about what do teachers get with Quizlet. Quizlet is an excellent complement to just K-12 classrooms. The platform's teacher account allows educators to create study sets and monitor how students interact with those sets. Configuration is straightforward. Students register for accounts using Google or Facebook, and educators create classes to which they create or create sets. And teachers may invite students to online classes using a simple join link. And beyond assessment, Quizlet data is valuable because it is non-assessment data. Students interact with materials differently when they don't feel they are being evaluated. In an era of prolific standardized testing, it can help surface the processes through which students learn. And it can also enable educators to help at-risk students before they fail a high-stakes test. While its emphasis on rote learning is the product of a prescriptive structure, it is an excellent service that deserves a place in online learning. And it is inviting for students to use, simple for educators to configure, and affordable for administrators to implement. And that's why I highly recommend this app for so many people who wants to learn a language or just practice learning. And let's see the pros and cons of this app. Pros of this app: it's simple to use and configure, excellent for self-study, and it has various modes for you to study, like so many tasks you can just choose from, and you have so many options. And cons of this app is it's only suited for quizzing on certain types of information, and there are some spelling errors, and because of that people can just learn the wrong way, so we should be really careful about it. I think that's it for now, and thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and just write your comments below, please. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or just leave a comment below. And feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. And I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.